Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2024 Chevrolet Colorado LT. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video to help it out. Subscribe down below to see more car content, and let's jump right into it. So first things first, we'll start off with the key. You have your lock, unlock, panic button, and remote start features on the key. Up front, we have the black grille with the classic Chevrolet logo up front. You also do have LED accented headlights, as you can see there, fog lights right below that, and we do have two black tow hooks underneath. Really nice looking front end. You also do have a well-designed hood up front, plenty of different angles to give it a nice aggressive look. Also, we have these 17-inch wheels that are wrapped in Goodyear Wrangler tires, as you can see there. Same wheel size all the way around. They're 17 inches on the front and back. This one also does have the running board, so you can step in and out of the vehicle very easily. And we also do have the function on the side here. If you have the key in your pocket, you can either lock or unlock the vehicle just with a tap of a button. Nice body color side mirrors with the black accents on the bottom. Four-wheel drive badging in the back, because this one is a four-wheel drive. You have a singular exhaust tip with a spare tire underneath. You also do have these circles in the bumper. Those are your rear parking sensors, so if you get close to something, it'll start beeping at you from the inside. Towing hookup right there. We also do have a 4-pin and 6-pin connector as well. Steps on both sides, so you can step in and out of the truck bed very easily. Same thing for the back, nice grippy texture as well. And we'll go ahead and open up the tailgate. Go ahead and unlock it. Open her up. Comes down nice and easy, just like that. You also do have the special tailgate with the measurement marks, and you can also unlock it. Like that, so you have more storage space underneath. The water will drain out of here. You do have that water plug, so everything will drain out. And we can go ahead and lock that back, just like that. But inside the bed, no bed liner on this one, but you do have your cargo tie downs, as you can see there, all the way around. You also do have a 120 volt outlet. This one has the 5-foot bed. You can also see the Chevrolet stamped badging on the tailgate as well. Same 4x4 badging on both sides. And here's your fuel fill up. So no gas cap, it's the easy fill gas cap. Super easy to use and close back. Moving to the back seats, you can see the interior. We have these nice black accents all the way around. Storage inside the doors on the top and bottom. This one does have leather appointed seats, all weather floor mats as well, which is super nice to keep it clean. And you do have a sliding rear glass window. It is manual, so you can open and close it just like that. There is a lever on the side, so you can pull up on that and then pull up on the seat. You can see there's storage underneath the seats. These are your tools to get out your spare tire and everything like that. That side does lift up as well if you need it. To put that back down, you can just lift up on this lever and it comes down just like that. Now for the space for the back, it's pretty good. The driver's seat is where I would be sitting in if I was driving. I'm about 6 foot tall, so I have plenty of space right here. You also do have 2 cup holders, 2 AC vents, and 2 phone hookups. Also underneath, you do have a 3-prong outlet. Plenty of headroom back here. There is a little divot in the roof for extra headroom for taller people. But pretty good back seat. You do have storage behind the driver and passenger side. So not a bad place to sit at. Moving up front to the driver's seat, you'll notice this one is power. So you can move it forwards, backwards, up, down and up. And you also can recline it backwards and forwards as well. This is for your lumbar support right there in the middle of the back. You can adjust that as well. Same black design On the driver and passenger door, you do have your unlock and lock buttons as well. All of your mirror controls as well, so you can adjust the left or the right mirror like that. Let's go ahead and take a seat inside, start her up. As soon as you hop in, you can see the graphics being played on both screens, so you know that you're driving a Chevrolet. So we'll go ahead and start it up, put our foot on the brake, hit this button, and she comes to life. So starting off with the steering wheel, we have our cruise control. We can turn that on or off. Set our speed. We can also control our forward collision gap. We have a 3-car, 2-car, and 1-car length. We also do have a heated steering wheel that you can cut on or off. You can adjust the center screen with different information. So you have audio. This is your main screen, trip information, all that stuff right there. You also do have your music that you can control, hands-free voice commands, and we can also adjust our volume. On the right side, this is to turn your volume up and down, and on the left side, this is how you scroll through your music presets. You can also control how bright the screen is by toggling that up or down. We also do have a trailer brake controller, so you can adjust that. AC vents that you can close or open. Really nice design there. We do have an electronic parking brake. We do have our 4-wheel drive controls and our tow mode. So this is 2 high, automatic, 4 high, and also our tow mode. On the shifter, to shift it, there's a button right there. You can pull back for reverse. You can see your backup camera here. So you have a line for parking and parking spots. You also do have a line for hooking up a trailer. And you also do have a zoomed in view of the back if you're hooking up a trailer. Pull back for neutral, pull back for drive, and you can go into L mode. Now to shift through L mode, you can go up or down in gears by selecting this on the side of the shifter. And we'll go ahead and put it back in park. We also do have a wireless charging pad, 2 different plugins up here. We do have this window that if we press, it'll roll down all the windows at one time. So you can see there. And to put them back up, you just have to pull up on the mirror controls on the driver door. We have automatic stop start, so if you're stopped at a stoplight or stop sign, it'll cut the motor off. This means that it's activated. To cut it off, you just do that. It'll also notify you on that center screen. We have our hazard button, lane keep assist that we can cut on or off, and the auxiliary button, which will cut on that 120 volt outlet in the bed. 2 AC vents up front, another one on the passenger side. We also do have dual zone climate, so the passenger side can be different from the driver's side. We could turn our fan speed down or up. We also do have heated seats on the driver and passenger side with a high mode, medium mode, and a low mode, which is super nice. These heated seats are for the bottom of the seat only, so only this portion, not the back. Moving on to the screen, we have our volume adjustment right here. We can also power it down or off. We do have our audio on the screen, which is your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth, as you can see there. We have built-in Google Maps on this vehicle, so the same navigation that you would use on your phone, you can use on the screen as well, which is super nice. So there's the navigation system. You can easily search stuff, go to where you want to go, all that good stuff. We also do have our phones. You can see what phones are hooked up. You do have your trailering app, Google Assistant, climate, settings, Google Play Store, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Moving on to the next side, we have our Wi-Fi hotspot, vehicle status, our camera, controls, My Chevrolet, podcast, and news app. So really nice touchscreen, very simple and easy to use. Here's our rear view mirror. We also do have our OnStar buttons here at the top. 2 different map lights on the top here. Little makeup mirror on the driver and passenger side. But very nice seats up front, wrapped in the same leather as the back seat. Pretty comfortable to sit in. We also do have 2 cup holders up here and a center console. This cubby will come out if you need deeper storage space. You also do have a phone plug-in down there, as you can see. But that's pretty much the interior. Let's take one last look at the outside. Show you guys the window sticker. And we'll take a look at that. So make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the Colorado LT. Do you think it's the best mid-size truck for the money? Or do you think the Nissan Frontier or Toyota Tacoma is a better buy? But they really did a good job on the redesign with the Colorados. It has really nice aggressive body lines. You also do have a pretty powerful motor. Powering this one is a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder turbo. We'll go ahead and take a look at that right now. So like I said, this is a 2023 Colorado 4-wheel drive LT Crew Cab. This one is finished in the sterling gray metallic with the jet black Evotex seats. 2.7 liter turbo plus motor with the 8-speed automatic transmission. Base price of the LT is $34,900. This one has all of these packages on it. So a destination charge and everything is $43,520. Gas mileage on this motor, you're gonna get 19 combined, 17 city, 21 highway. And here's the whole window sticker if you guys wanna pause it and take a look at it. But guys, that's pretty much it for now. If you guys are still watching, I appreciate it very much as always. That's it for now. There's gonna be a few videos that pop up in the corners here. If those look interesting to you, make sure you check them out. But appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.